In this video, I'll detail how to set a camera timer when taking a picture on an iPhone 12. So all the iPhone 12 series, if you have iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to take a personal picture using timer while you mount your iPhone on a tripod stand, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make a timer or to set a timer on your iPhone when taking a picture on your iPhone 12, the first thing to do is you want to go ahead and open the camera app. Then once you open the camera app, you're going to see the camera either on rear or front camera. Then on the navigation, if you're on video, you want to make sure you swipe to photo. Then after that, click on this pointed arrow to reveal all this menu like this. Then click on the format. If you want to use 4x4, select 4x4, square, that's 1x1, then 16x9, select that. Then once selected, while this menu still opens, then locate the icon before the last icon, which is the timer icon. Click on that. Then this is going to reveal the information about the timer on your iPhone 12. Then select the timer you want to set. The maximum you can set here is 10 seconds. See that? So you cannot set your timer more than 10 seconds, and you cannot predefine another set other than what we have on the camera. Then go ahead and select the timer. And once you select the timer, you're going to see the timer at the top right here just before the live icon. Then that's the timer. Is that? Click on that. That is going to reveal the timer you set on your iPhone while taking a picture. You can also increase it to 5 seconds. Then once increased, go ahead and position yourself properly right in front of the camera, just like this. And then click on the shutter button. Now you see the countdown. Then after the countdown, this is going to take the picture automatically. Then this is the picture. And again, if you want to set this to rear camera, then select it and then tap flip and then click on the shutter button. You should see the countdown. Then once the timer elapses, this is going to take the picture on your iPhone 12. So this is how you can easily set a timer when taking a picture on an iPhone 12 or all the iPhone 12 series. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.